brave story of India, a historical tale you heard by no media. When Britishers would control India's rule, here the courageous journey would overrule. In 1857, the British Raj began. The power of last Mughal emperor they regained. We cannot forget the mighty Rani Lakshmibai, who rebelled against them with a spirit so high. कई घटनाओं से लड़ती हुई हिंदुस्तान की आबादी थी. कई घटनाओं से लड़ती हुई हिंदुस्तान की आबादी थी. इस गुलामी से मुक्ति ये भारत की आज़ादी थी. In 1873, Jyotirao Phule began Social Reform Society for women's education rights, understanding their anxiety. In year 1885, the Indian National Congress was formed. With 1905, the partition of Bengal had stormed. Then came a massacre which shook the nation. 1919 Jallianwala Bagh case led to frustration. On the verge of public rage, Rowlatt Act was passed. 1920 non-cooperation movement held so vast. कई स्वतंत्रता सेनानी का संघर्ष जुड़ा है इस मिट्टी में. कई स्वतंत्रता सेनानी का संघर्ष जुड़ा है इस मिट्टी में. सहम जाता है देश कुछ इंसानों की गलती से. In 1922, Chori Chora incident happened. With Simon Commission 1927, the courage dampened. The civil disobedience movement began in 1930. The Britishers were playing their tricks so dirty. On 1931, our brave Bhagat Singh was martyred. The Government of India Act 1935 had departed. In 1940, we reached the Lahore Resolution with Quit India movement of 1942 evolution. आज भी बहुत समस्याएं हैं हमारी इस भूमि पे. आज भी बहुत समस्याएं हैं हमारी इस भूमि पे. गर्व से भर जाता है भारत एक सैनिक की वर्दी से. Indian National Army was set up in 1942. Subhash Chandra Bose had got it due. Getting independence in 1947, India-Pakistan partitioned for a land of heaven. This is the same land where riots had taken place, with blood of freedom fighters of every race. History is a lesson we shall all remember. Future is in our hands like a burning ember. हर मुश्किल से लड़ जाएंगे, अन्याय नहीं सहेंगे. हर मुश्किल से लड़ जाएंगे, अन्याय नहीं सहेंगे. बहुत हुआ अत्याचार, अब एकता से रहेंगे. अब एकता से रहेंगे. जय हिंद.